How to make images move in CapCut. So if you want to make images move in your CapCut, then first you need to open up your CapCut application. Once you open up your CapCut, you need to simply go with Create Project. And now you need to go with Import, which is on the upper left, and then select an image. You can simply select any image that you're comfortable with. Now, once you have the image, what you need to do is just simply go with the plus icon, which is right here, or you can also drag and drop it to the bottom. Now, you can add some keyframes to move the image. So what you can do is simply select the image at first, go with the first point, and go with the scale. So I'll just simply select the scale like this. I'll go with the top left and bring it to the bottom right. So first, go with your keyframe. You need to scroll down, and here you need to add a keyframe under the scale. Once you added the keyframe, now you need to go with the second place, and then swipe a bit down, and then again add a keyframe, and again go with the third point, again move a bit, and then add the keyframe. Just proceed with the process. Add as many keyframes as you like, but make sure to add the keyframe with the position section, but not on the scale. Make sure to go with the positions, which is right here. Once we added the keyframes, as you can see that I've added these keyframes, right? So you can just simply play the video, and now as you can see, the images can move. So in this way, you can make images move in CapCut, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.